चलित वर्ष आमे वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स कॉन्टिनेंटल टूर रो सिल्वर लेवल को आयोजन करूछंती। आसंता 22 तारिख दिन ये आयोजन हेबाकू जाउछे कलिंग स्टेडियम रे एवं गत वर्ष जेभली भाव में आमे यार ब्रोंज लेवल को आयोजन करथिले एवं सफलतार सहित आयोजन करथिले। चलित वर्ष यार अपर लेवल सिल्वर लेवल आयोजन करबा पई आमे सुजोग पाइछंती। वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स को एएफआई को एवं ओडिशार एथलेटिक एसोसिएशन को मध्य धन्यवाद देवी से माने सहयोग करुछंती। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री माननीय मुख्यमंत्री सबु बेले खेल को गुरुत्व दे आसिछंती एवं 22 तारिख रे जो कार्यक्रम हम 25 टी देशरू पाखापाखी 180 रु अधिक खेलाड़ी माने जोग देवाकू जाउछंती। विश्वर टॉप 10 एथलीट्स विभिन्न वर्गर से माने मध्य जोग देवाकू जाउछंती। ओडिशार 6 जन एथलीट को समेत भारत वर्षरू मध्य पाखापाखि 80 रु ऊर्ध्व एथलीट्स एथिरे जोग देबे। तेणु ये एक प्रीमियम इवेंट एवं ए इवेंट रे समस्तंक पई निशुल्क प्रवेश रहिबो अर्थात फ्री एंट्री रहिबो।
This is the track where I broke the record and came back to here. Yesterday I had a session for the same pit in some takeoffs and approach checking. So I feel like when I go that area and I'm looking the crowd where I created that history and I'm recollecting the moment which the record moments and before breaking that, and it feels so good. Yesterday I had a training here, my approach was so good, and looking back that is like a encourage, like motivating me myself too. This is not my limit, I can go further. Like India is can get a world class level jump women in our country, so I made it prove. So tomorrow, like day after tomorrow, the competition is the continental world class athletes also have participating, I think so. But it is a great opportunity to me to compete with them also. I want to compete like that kind of people, so it will help to improve my performance also, and I'm looking forward to breach the 7-meter magical mark as soon as possible.
Preparations have been going really well, and more than competition from athletes from other countries, the competition from Indian athletes will be even more, because India is the only country where we have 4 long jumpers above 8.20 meters. So that's a pretty good standard for a country to have long jumpers like that. And my preparations are on point. We had some great training camp in Europe prior to coming here. Post Commonwealth Games, we went to Czech Republic, where our Athletics Federation of India had organized a training camp, and we spent 2 weeks there. And last Sunday, we reached Bhubaneswar to acclimatize with the event. With the conditions here. So really excited to put a great show here and make the crowd, make the fans happy.
The thing that makes it difficult sometimes is the climate. So the first thing I noticed when I arrived yesterday was that it's extremely hot. So as an athlete that's almost 140 kg, I have to stay cool. I have to be able to make sure that my body doesn't start to cramp under the conditions and stuff. There's humidity that we have to deal with. So things like that come into play. I didn't get to practice at the facility, but I looked at it and it looks phenomenal. It looks brand new. And I'm extremely impressed. Again, I've been all over the world for competition, so I have no queries, no concerns about competing in this facility. But I just have to stay cool because we're such big athletes.
So we can see where my training is and a good place to work as well, because it's hot. And a good advice for the youth is keep going. Tough times will come, but we overcame. I think we overcame tough times. They overcame tough times, and we are here together. So just keep on strong.
We are happy to address you that this championship, the silver level, which is first of its kind in India, more than 25 countries, athletes from 25 countries are taking part in this. And the number of the participation will be approximately 180. We will be conducting 2 finals in certain competitions where the entry is more. And we have also tried to give more entry to Indian athletes. But as per the rules, it is mandatory that there should be minimum 3 countries. Only then the event can take. कोई भी इवेंट यहाँ पर तभी हो सकता है जब उसके अंदर मिनिमम 3 देशों से एथलीट पार्टिसिपेट करें। और हमने ये भी कोशिश की है कि अपने इंडियन एथलीट्स को ज्यादा से ज्यादा मौका दिया जाए यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट करने का। और जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि हमारे सब टॉप एथलीट, जितने भी इंडिया के टॉप एथलीट्स हैं, नेशनल कोचिंग कैंप भी इधर ही लगा हुआ है और उड़ीसा सरकार उसको होस्ट कर रही है यहाँ पर, तो वो सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट इसमें करेंगे।